Hi everyone, my name is Umut Kuvvetli. I'm project manager of UK construction company. Our company has delivered many of the most globally recognized, also iconic and traditional buildings. Our official founding was in 1995. Although we are old company, we are still improving our command, keeping on the lights on, providing access to clean environment. Today, I would like to talk about our new project. Our new project is Green Building Project. We'll start with agenda. The firstly, introduction to green building construction industry. Project objective, team structure, project timeline, projection goals and benefits of affordable question and answer. Introduction. The green buildings. The development of the intelligent green building project is the pursued business strategy of an enterprise in principle and the launch of the project in practice. The project is offered as a research for those interested in exploring a variety of strategies to build more environmentally responsible buildings. Green buildings, also known as green construction or sustainable building. The concept of sustainable development can be traced to the energy crisis and environment pollution concern. I say that we located in New York, so this is maybe biggest problem in our purpose. The green building movement in the United States originated from the need and desire for more energy efficient and environmentally friendly construction practice. There are a number of motivates to build green, including environmental, economic, and social benefits. Project objective. Project objective. The goal is a statement of the intent of this strategy. The keywords energy reduction. We'll talk about on project goals. This strategy is a practical suggestion concerning how to achieve an environmental objective in a specific stage of the design process. Researchers for researching funding opportunities. That number refers to the guide to green building researches. Last one is cost and benefits. Project goals. We have so many goals. I would like to talk about life cycle, energy reduction, and cost. The firstly, life cycle. Life cycle is sustainable design, also approach integrates the building, the life cycle with each green practice employed. This is maybe more expensive than traditional buildings, but we shouldn't look nowadays. We should look our future, maybe after 20 years, maybe more. First of all, mental function memory. It helps like 10 between 25% better. This is about life cycle. This is about our healthy life. Also, hospital stays. It's 8.5 shorter. Then students achieve. It helps more. Higher test scores. More productive about workers. Life cycle is really important to realize our green building project. Energy reduction. I would like to talk about also energy reduction. Our purpose about energy efficiency. Green buildings often include measures to reduce energy use, to increase the efficiency of the building envelope. They may use high efficiency windows and isolation in walls and floors. That basic green building project. You can see the roof, also window, door, about sun, fresh air. This is about life cycle with energy. Also, I would like to say about the cost. The most criticized issue about construction environmentally friendly building in the price. Maybe this is our purpose, our goals, because modern technology tends to cost more money. Technology is growing each passing day. We can we can use it, but most green building cost a premium of like 20%, maybe less, but yields 10 times as a much over the entire life of the building. Also, the green building involved energy, water, materials. I would like to talk about team structure. The columns represent name, position, and email address. Also, we need to talk about project timeline. Timeline is, you can see here, the project surging, project readiness, development phase. We'll start on February for objectives. Then secure budget, identify it's going to close end of the April. Then stakeholder review, it will be start 1st of June. Then I hope we'll start on construction on August. Also, we have some documentation, also testing results about requirements. It should be 5 weeks. This is total close date. Also, I would like to talk scope plan of green building projects. The scope of green buildings projects may be described as the conceptual design, schematic design, design development. Actually, we have 3 phases. This is very common scope plan. The first, conceptual, schematic design, design development. The first about development of master schedule, also conceptual estimating, then schematic design like safety, also about planning, development, master schedule. Actually, green building scope plan as traditional plan because our system or schematic plan has the same way. Also construction documents. We have just 5 weeks. I think is enough for final schedule development, also life cycle cost and final constructability analysis. If you have any questions, free to ask to me. Thank you.